Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve desktop on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default tabs, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Telegram and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.